back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. So today we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day themed get ready with me. I know everybody's either going to be going on a date, you're going with your significant other, you're going with your spouse, or if you're just treating yourself and you want a girls' night out, whatever, then this is a look for you, honey. Okay, I wanted to do this because I haven't done a get ready with me in a long time, and I thought this will be fun, and I love any excuse to wear rose gold. So if you're interested in this look, then make sure you guys stay tuned. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Originally, I was going to do a wig review. However, my dog just don't want me to be great today. He gonna have to chill out. All right, we're gonna try that again. So originally this was gonna be a wig review. It was gonna be Valentine's Day hair. There's two things that happened. The wig that I was reviewing, I tore the lace on it, and I was like, I don't want to review this wig and not give it the justice that it deserves. So I'm gonna do another wig review on something else. But I did post the wig on my channel, not on my channel, on my Instagram. It's at JustDJ for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram. But if you want to see the wig I'm talking about, you can go check that out, and all the specs are listed on that Instagram post. So go ahead and prime my face while I'm talking to you guys. I'm going to use the Hydro Milk primer. The second reason why is because my husband loves my natural hair. So sometimes I give him what he wants, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna do natural hair for Valentine's Day. So I'm rocking my natural hair. I did a wash and go using the new Carol's Daughter line, which I will be doing a review on that next. All right, so now that my face is primed, I'm gonna go in with a translucent powder. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 40, I think. 40, so it's like their dark brown shade. We're just gonna set that down. I've been noticing that my makeup looks so much better when I set my primer down. And I love the Hydro Primer, but I can get really greasy real quick. I have really oily skin. So I got this step from Jackie Aina that I absolutely loved. That's done. So I'm gonna go in with the Super Stay foundation. I find that Maybelline products work really good together. So I'm using the 24-hour Super Stay foundation. And this is in the shade 370. And I just use probably about a drop because this has really good coverage that I'm obsessed with. Sometimes I have the problem of finding foundations that are too, they're either too red, like my skin is kind of like in the middle. So sometimes foundations can be too neutral. They can run too red, or they can be too pink. So I look like gray. It's like you want that nice healthy glow when looking for a foundation. So that's my NARS. And I use the shade Amon. So this part of my routine has not changed, so I'm probably gonna like speed up through this. I already did a get ready with me before. Okay, now that we have everything blended out, I'm gonna use my Fenty in the shade Cashew. I like this shade up under my eyes. I don't know why, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I tried the other one, it was another color. I think it was Honey, that everybody who was like dark skin loved. But I hated how it like left like a gold cast. It was too golden, I think. So that's why I went with Cashew. I think Jackie Aina said something about Cashew, the color that she uses up under her eye. And I tried it and I loved it. So perfect recommendation, especially for setting down your foundation. I'm gonna leave a little bit, just a tad bit, to just in case I have some fallout under the eye. All right, next I'm gonna bronze with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. This, like I said, this step never changes. Like I'm literally gonna always use this bronzer I don't really contour, I just kind of contour with my bronzer. So nothing major in this step is actually changing. And I bronze everything. Bronze that double chin, you know what I'm saying? They gotta go, honey. All right, next step, I like to use, I'm using the NYX, what's the name of this? Micro brow pencil. This pencil is pretty amazing and it's so affordable, and I just love it. I love the little micro tip. So like if you're looking for a good, I hate using my Anastasia all the time. But you know, this is a good dupe for it to me. Comes out really nice. I've been trying to, I tried Benefits Brow in the store and I really liked it, and I just haven't gone back to get it. But I am gonna give that a try because I actually really liked how my brows turned out when I used it. All right, brows are done. Let's get into the eyes. I like to start off all of my looks with the color Ginger. It's a great transition shade, and I don't care if I'm rocking brown, whatever, I start off with Ginger. It just looks so good, so bomb, and that's what we're gonna start off with today. Oh, and I'm in the Jackie Item palette, by the way. If you don't have it, I don't know what you're doing with yourself, because it's been out, it's been a banger. I highly recommend this palette if you don't have it. All right, so I'm gonna darken up my crease just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the color Pinker here, right there. It looks pink, but it looks really pretty when you put it on. It's a nice little crease color. So I like to use, I'm just using a pointy blending brush now, and I'm going in to make sure the color goes where I want it to go. And if you're asking me where I got this brush from, I believe I got it in a BoxyCharm box. I don't even know the name of it. Moda Pro, that's the name of it. And I just give that, you see that pink color that's coming through? Looks really pretty on. That's what we're gonna blend out here. And I like to build it up. I don't wanna go in heavy. I just want it to be nicely built. Now normally I like to use, what's this color in here? Normally I like to use Credit, but I'm gonna go into this Pure Festival palette because I really like this palette. And I'm gonna go into the color All Night. This is more of a smokier brown, and I kind of want my eyes to smoke just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. So I'm gonna get another blending brush. I'm gonna smoke that eye out. Just go into that chocolate color, and I'm just gonna smoke it. And I'm just going into that corner that I want the smoke. Who wants the smoke? I want all the smoke on Valentine's Day. All right, so it's not Valentine's unless you put some glitter on your eye. I'm just playing. You don't have to put glitter on your eye, but I am going to. And the Pure palette, I'm using the shade Fireworks. I'm obsessed with the glitter on here. And this formula is like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has like a tap to it so that all you have to do is literally put the glitter on your eye. Like, it already has that tackiness in it, so you just have to add it. You just gotta put it on. This is probably the easiest glitter I've used because it literally goes where I put it. So now we're gonna take care of that under eye. I'm gonna go in, it's called Wild Child on this palette. It's this color right here. And I'm gonna go in up under with like a little blending brush, dust off the excess, and I'm just gonna take it like right up under my eye. That's it. Now I'm also gonna go back into this All Night color, and I'm gonna do that outer corner. Now we're gonna go to liner. I'm gonna go ahead and line my bottom lash with this kohl pencil from Lancome. Alright, gonna line these eyes with the Kat Von D liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, especially if you're new to eyeliner. Like, this pen changes the game. So I'm just gonna do a slight wing. Alright, so I had to switch to a real liquid liner because that glitter was messing up my felt tip. So I got the it's the e.l.f. liquid liner. This is also really good, but this is gonna give me the look I'm going for. Following along with the liner, I'm just gonna take my lash glue and I'm gonna apply it right where my liner is so you guys can see. This is the way I like to put on lashes. You can put them on any way you feel fit. Alright, while that lash glue dries just a little bit, I like to take this pink purple. This is the color Bahamas from the Anastasia Riviera palette. I don't know why it was taking me a minute. Riviera palette. I use this as a blush because when I want to do a pink look, it just shows up so good on my skin tone that I'm obsessed with it. So that's all I do. I just take a little dab of the blush and then look how pretty that shows up on the cheek. A nice rosy look. All right, I'm just gonna apply the Superhero mascara from IT Cosmetics. I don't really wear a lot of mascara when I wear my lashes, but you know, just to, you do want your bottom lash to look like it got something going on down here. So apply that. Ooh, girl. I know a lot of people don't like wearing lashes. They don't get it. But when I tell you it changes the game, it's almost like why people ask you, like, why do you wear wigs when you got a lot of hair? Because sometimes you just want to change the game. I know that I have hair, but sometimes, just like I know that I have lashes, but you know, sometimes we want to be extra. We want to be extra cute. I know my husband could care less about lashes on my face, but I care. You know what I'm saying? I want the lashes. I want to be extra, and there's nothing wrong with that. So these, oh, I'm gonna tell y'all, those are, speaking of lashes, that was Lily Lashes in the style Rome. That's what we got on the eyes right now. I love these lashes. Ooh, see how it just gives you a different glam. All right, so let's go ahead and complete this look. We're gonna do a nice pale pink lippy because I think it will look so good with this. So I'm gonna line my lips with my tried and true. This is a Sephora Contour Rouge Gel Lip Liner. I love this stuff. It is so light on my lips and it glides on so easy. Now, because I'm gonna be using a pale pink, you need to line your lips, okay? Especially if you are melanated like me, honey. Line them lips, baby, because that's what's gonna make it look good. Color Cat Lady from, I hate that name. I feel like I need to change this whole look just because the name of this sucks. I think I might. I don't like the name of that. All right, I'm back. We had to change the name because we're not doing Cat Lady on Valentine's. So I'm gonna use my tried and true nude pink. This is from Kat Von D because it's gonna last you all night. Okay, you can kiss as much as you want to. It's gonna last. And this is in the shade Sanctuary. Okay guys, that concludes this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Enjoy your day, enjoy your loved ones, enjoy yourself. Self-love is so important. So make sure you take some time out for yourself today as well. If you have time, you can go ahead and check out some of my latest YouTube reviews. I will put them up here. Make sure you guys go follow me at @JustDJ. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like this video, and share with all your friends. And I'll catch you guys on my next video.